Today we're looking at the Proalpha Bh130 electric toothbrush. It's got 5 advanced brushing modes, wireless charging, superior travel case. Let's see what it says here. Live better with clean daily removal of plaque, soft, gentle removing of plaque, GumCare, whitening teeth, sensitive for those who have sensitive teeth or gums, and massage the gum lines to improve oral health. What comes in the package? Toothbrush body, 2 normal brushes, 2 sensitive brushes, 2 deep cleansing brushes, hygiene cap, you got 4 of those, English manual, that's always good when you speak English, a travel case, and a charging base. All right, shows you the different brushes that we're going to get inside. It says 2-minute start smart timer. It goes 38,000 times per minute on the vibration. And if you fully charge it, it will last for 30 days on a full charge. Pretty cool. And it's an IPX7 waterproof rating. All right, and it's got a lot of reading to do. Okay. We've got the wireless charging base, power plug, sealed bags for our brush heads, hygiene caps so you don't get germs on there, wow, that's actually a nice travel case. It's either heavy duty plastic or a thin metal. Look at that. That's pretty cool. Travel case comes with 2 brush heads inside. Comes with the unit itself. So this particular unit came a little bit scratched up in the box. That's where it attaches to the brush heads. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6. Now this one here came a little bit bent, but I think once you start brushing the teeth with it, it shouldn't really make too much of a difference. And the wireless charging adapter is actually pretty hefty. It's got a good weight to it, which is pretty surprising. Usually these are like super light and flimsy. It's almost like playing music. So it's all the different settings. That's pretty cool. Wow. Those are shaking fast. Oh my goodness. Now this one says that I need to charge it, so I'm going to charge the battery and we're going to try it out. But this is pretty impressive. This one's pretty hefty. Usually they're pretty light. It's got a bunch of different settings to be able to use for your teeth brushing. I think that would definitely be a fun experience. So overall, this is a pretty good product. I'm pretty excited about it. This is probably going to last a long time. And like I said, a lot of the pieces here are actually pretty hefty. They weigh pretty substantially, and they give you a lot of different heads. So it's a mustache. But yeah, they give you a lot of different heads and pretty good option. So I'm pretty excited. We'll go ahead and take the journey with the electric toothbrush and see how it goes. If this information and unboxing was helpful, please smack that thumbs up. Thank you for watching, and we'll talk to you soon.